everyone. So I will be doing an unboxing video today, and hopefully later on I can actually do a meal and see how it turns out. And the reason I'm giving this a try is because I used to get frustrated going to the market and getting all kinds of groceries and then having some spoil, or I just hated having to think what I'm going to be cooking throughout the whole week, so that way I can use the produce and stuff that I have purchased. So I kind of just thought that I'd give this a try, and if I don't like it, I'm probably just gonna go back to having to schedule what I'm gonna be cooking for the week. I am gonna be giving not just Home Chef a try, because it's Home Chef. I'm going to also be doing one on what is it called? I think it's Blue Apron, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna get started, and so let me get a knife. I am recording off my iPhone because having to set up my camera, I would have to do the lighting and everything. So I kind of just figured this was easier. I do want to, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I do want to give a big thanks to everyone who has been wondering how I've been, why I haven't done videos. I've been really like busy, and I've been just so lazy at the same time. I sometimes don't feel like doing anything, and I still have to go out and do things, so I really don't have time. I am pregnant, as you can see. I'm huge, but I am almost due, so I can't wait for that to happen. So when I first opened this, pretty cool. I guess you can put this in a binder. It comes with your little menus, and you do get to change or pick the ones that you want. And this actually, I didn't remember which ones I got, but this actually looks really good. Like, I got this, which is the chimichurri steak. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then it tells you all the instructions and stuff in the back. And then I got the Parmesan crusted chicken. I thought it looked pretty good, and I've never cooked anything like this whatsoever. I think this is pretty cool because you get to keep these little recipes, and you can just go out and buy whatever it is you used, and then you're good. Okay, so then it comes with a foaming pad, it seems like. This is the foaming pad, and it comes with ice packs. So it has 3, which is pretty cool. Bubble wrap. And then it has your, am I supposed to buy the meat? Well, I'm not sure, but here's what you need to make the chimichurri steak. It's in this bag. Oh, no. I think it might come with the meat, actually. Then this is for the Parmesan crusted chicken. And then this is the mesquite chicken. I think that's pretty cool how everything comes in its little bags and everything's labeled, and it has its own little packages of everything that you're going to be using. I think it's great. Oh, I was so worried. I really thought I was going to have to go buy the meat myself. I was like, how the hell am I supposed to cook something today? So it comes with more ice packs that covers the chicken and the meat. So it's in a big Ziploc bag, and I did get enough for my boyfriend and I, so there's pretty much about 6 meals here in total. And it comes with a steak, and everything's pretty well sealed individually. And then it comes with a chicken. It looks pretty good. It's just that on the chicken, I don't like these white fatty parts, or whatever it is. So I am definitely gonna have to be cutting those out. Hopefully not the doctors, but when I get back from one of my pregnancy classes, I will get cooking and make something from there. And hopefully I will have time to record. Thank you for watching.